Here we go. It's July 9, 6:59 a.m. And we're going to get our SPY Strangle trade on. So here we go. Let's go over to the Analyze tab. I'm going to clear out all this stuff. Those are old trades from yesterday. And we'll go to the Add Simulated Trades tab. Go down to the 0DTE options for today, July 9. We're going to go down the delta column here. This is the puts over here. This is the calls over here on the left, puts on the right, and we're going down the delta column. So we're going to go down to find the 15 delta. And look at that, there's one right at 15. So I'm going to put that in there to sell. And I'm going to go on the call side, same thing, go down the delta column, find the 15 of the closest to 15, which is this one here, 13. And then I'm going to hide positions. And then I'm going to set these out there. I'm going to sell these. I'm going to sell these little suckers. Okay. There's that one. I hope it's out there working. Might as well do this one out there too. Throw it out to the wolves. Okay, there's one of them filled. You know, Eric G-Man told me how to get rid of these little blue annoying orders, which I need to do. Those are annoying. He said they always seem to get in my way, and I totally agree. They're like right in your way. I'm trying to go over to the monitor tab, and they're sitting right there, covering it. Okay, so what's going on with this put? Come on. See, like that? Okay, let's go to the Analyze tab here. SPY. It's kind of weird we're not getting filled on that. We should totally be getting filled on that. In the real world, we would. This is the paper world, the paper trader. So, come on, man. Let's see, 23. Oh, there it went. Okay, so we got the put on at 23. We got the put on at 23. And we got the call on at 15. 15. Is that right? 23 and 15. Yeah. Okay, cool. Look at that. We're already at money. 3 bean burritos, maybe 4. Okay, so I just got an email from my main man Howard, and it's so cool. He sent me a video. I was having trouble yesterday with that OCO order. He sent me a video how to do that order, which I'm going to check out. So I'm not going to do that OCO order right now. I'm going to watch his video first, and I'm assuming that video is going to show me how to do it. That must mean I did it wrong yesterday, which is why I didn't get filled. So, but I have some other things I have to do, some other fires I have to put out before that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set the exit order for these guys, and then I'm going to bail and go do some other stuff. I got some other trades to put on, and then I'm going to watch that video and then come back and like see how to do it. And then I'll just come back in later towards the end of the day and update that. And do it the correct way, the Howard way. No, that was actually really cool. Thanks, Howard. It's awesome. Personalized video tutorial. I appreciate it. So until then, I'm going to create these, just the basic exit orders. I'm going to say create opposite order. This is the put. What am I doing? Let's say analyze opposite order, and then we'll say analyze opposite order. So we want to go 3 times. So 554 put, we sold at 23. So 23 times 3. 23 times 3. 69. So we're going to get that out there. We're going to say create duplicate order at 69. Is that right? Yeah. The put at 69. Create duplicate order. We're going to say buy this back at 69, which is 3 times the credit we brought in. Oh God, this again. God, I feel like a total idiot. I did the exact same thing I did yesterday. How dumb can you get? Analyze opposite trade. So I have to resell that. God, what an idiot. Slow down, Dan. Slow down. This is... I can't even do this in a paper money account. I mean, how am I going to do it in a real money account? Come on. Okay, let's say 21. 21. I'm going to blame on those blue things. They're distracting me. The little blue notifications. Okay, so let's start this over. So we got filled in that last one at 21. And that is the put. So we got the put at 21. We got the call at 15. We'll get rid of this guy. I'm going to set the put order. Analyze, create duplicate order. So now we're doing 21, 42, 63. So I need to say stop. I need to say, yeah, stop. Okay, stop, and then 63. I'm going to get tunnel carpal. How do you say that? Tunnel carpal? Disorder from clicking these little numbers up. Like that. Okay, come on, Dan. Get together. Okay, 63. Okay, so there's the exit order for that one. And then I'm going to do the call, which we got for 15. So we'll say create opposite order 15. This is going to be 45. Okay, and then we're going to say stop at 45 for the call. Okay, so there we go. We sold 2 of them. We sold the call and a put, and we have our exit orders in. And again, I'm going to come back and redo this exit order and try to make it a one cancels the other, because that's how we roll around here. But I'm going to watch Howard's his video that he sent me explaining how to do it first. I just can't do it right at this second, so I'm going to come back midday and do that. All right, so we're off and running. Here's our position. We're up $3-4. We have our stop orders in, and I will be back shortly. Okay, here we are. It's 12:55. 5 minutes left in the market, and we're just going to watch this, our 0 DTE, our SPY Strangle trade, go out. So here are the exit orders that I set up early on in the morning after I placed the trade. You can see that neither one of them got hit, so it looks like today's going to be another winning trade. That makes 3 days in a row. Yahoo! Hurrah! So I'm going to, well, there's a couple of things. First of all, I had a good friend, Howard. He sent me a video on how to create these the one cancels the other orders. It's just I got too wound up with a bunch of stuff this morning, so I haven't had a chance to go through it and figure it all out. So I'm going to try to do that this evening and have it figured out by tomorrow. So I'm not going to try that. I'm going to cancel these orders, and then I'm just going to see if I can place exit orders off of, like, fresh exit orders. Because the first day we tried this, I don't think these worked as well. I'm trying to figure out, is it just the paper money thing? Is paper money, like, not creating these orders and all that correctly? So I'm investigating. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel these. I'm going to say cancel order. I'm going to say cancel order. They're not canceling either. Well, that's kind of weird. Oh, there's one. Okay, there's the, so it's a little bit hung up a little bit. That's not like the real account, I can tell you that. So then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, I'm going to set fresh exit orders for both of these. This one I'm going to say create closing order, buy 1 at 1 cent. Let's say market. Okay, there it is working. I'm saying market, and there's nothing. I think it's this I think it's this paper trading platform. Let me check this other one. Create closing order by SPY. I'll say limit on this one. What is that? What the heck? Okay, so we had the put. Let's do the call. Oh, I came down here. That's the one I already did. Buy 1 SPY call. I'm going to say limit order 2. See what happens there. Okay, so I have 2 orders that I just placed. One a market, one a limit. And these should have been filled. So it probably has something to do with this paper money system. It's not giving us a very accurate reading of closing these out. And I wonder if it's giving us an accurate reading of whether our stops are getting hit, like during the day, because I'm not watching these all day long. I don't know. Anyone out there know? I mean, is it really this bad that I'm saying? Here, I'll try this. I'll say cancel replace order. I'll put in 2 cents. Why is there 2 there? Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna say cancel replace order. I'm gonna say 2. It's waiting to be triggered. Okay, now it's working. So that would have gotten filled. Like, where are we on the SPY? We're at 555. Yeah. So there's something up with the paper money, I think. I'm just hoping that it's getting us out, or that it will get us out at our predetermined exits throughout the day, because I'm not watching these numbers. Hopefully it's not just like going into them, blowing through them, and in and out of them, or reaching those those exit targets and not going. So here's the bell, and they never got filled. Very interesting. So I'll have to look further into that. Anyway, let's call today a win. I mean, I think today wasn't that crazy of a day anyway, so I'm pretty sure that we stay within the range. But we need to confirm that it's actually going to exit us out of those positions if it hits our stop. Because then, like, what's the point? I wonder if there's a way to look at like prices throughout the day of that particular option. I think there is, but that's above my pay grade. No, I'll have to look into that. Well, if anyone else out there has ideas or knowledge on this, experiences, expertise, is this typical for me to put an order on? And I know for sure that this would have gotten filled if this was a real money account, because I've done it hundreds of times. So is this typical, or am I doing something wrong here, or any other ideas? All right, well, let's go to our Excel sheet. So today is July 9. And let's get these orders. So here's the call. I'm going to say copy. And then I screwed that up again. Jeez. I'm going to say copy. So there's the put. So the call, we got 15. And the put, we got 21. Is that right? Yeah. And for all we know, they were both winners. So let me change the font size on this. So that's 3 days in a row of wins. So we've made $100. Check it out. $100. So that's it for this one. I need to do some research, or if anyone else out there knows more about this paper trading platform than I do and getting fills and whether it's reliable or not, let me know. I'd appreciate that. And also, maybe I'll call Thinkorswim tomorrow and try to get their version of what's going on. All right, other than that, that's it for today. If you'd like to follow along with me on these trades, just make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Just click that subscribe button below. Also, join me on my website. I'll leave a link to my website in the description below. Head on over there, sign up for my free email newsletter. And as soon as you do that, you'll get a welcome email from me. Just reply back to that welcome email, and I'll get back to you, and we'll go from there. All right, that's it for day 3. See you tomorrow.